Hi everyone, penpot 2.13 is officially here, our first release of the year. While a huge part of our energy is currently focusing into some of our most ambitious game-changer features behind the scenes, we aren't hitting the brakes on the day-to-day experience. We are staying committed to that steady rhythm of improvement you've come to expect. So this update isn't just about keeping the lights on. It's about performance, boost, and reinforcing the design system foundations you use every single hour. We've got two major highlights in this version that make a real difference. Let's dive in. Deleting a file no longer means it's gone forever, which was kind of terrifying. The trash is now a dedicated space in the dashboard where deleted files and projects lives before they are permanently deleted. So if you delete the wrong file, clean up too aggressively, or trust your future you way too much, you can just recover it like a normal human being. It works for projects and files, and yes, items are automatically removed after a period of time depending on your plan. This feature is highly requested and absolutely necessary for the daily work. Okay, now this one is for the design system nerds, and yes, I'm including myself. So shadow tokens are finally here. This is the second composite token in penpot, right after typography tokens, and it's a big step forward. You could define colors as tokens, but what about shadows? Now you can create fully reusable tokenized shadows. Single or multi-layer, drop shadow, and inner shadow, and referencing existing tokens, or even referencing other shadow tokens. That last bit is huge, by the way. This is one of those features that doesn't look flashy in a tweet, but massively improves real-world workflows. On top of the headline features, there are solid improvements under the hood to keep everything fast and smooth. One of these major improvements is the new render engine, which is currently in the beta testing phase. So please, check it out if you want to learn more about the process on our community site. So yeah, penpot 2.13 is a strong start to the year. The trash fixes are real pain, shadow token puts the design system forward, and the foundations are clearly being reinforced for what's coming next. If you are using penpot already, drop a comment. What's your favorite edition? So please like, subscribe, do all the algorithm things, and see you in the next one.